Every premium coconut begins its journey in carefully managed tropical plantations, where healthy palm trees are cultivated year-round.
Throughout the year, plantation workers maintain every coconut palm through careful inspection, pruning, irrigation, and crop monitoring.
Once the coconuts reach full maturity, experienced harvesting teams carefully remove each fruit using
Once the coconuts reach full maturity, experienced harvesting teams carefully remove each fruit using specialized tools.
Loaded with freshly harvested coconuts, the transport vehicles leave the plantation and head toward the processing facility, where every batch will undergo The harvested coconuts arrive at the processing facility, where each shipment is received under carefully controlled conditions before entering the factory's production system. After unloading, the coconuts are transferred onto automated conveyors, where the inspection process begins to ensure only premium quality fruit enters production. Advanced inspection systems examine every coconut for size, maturity, weight, and shell quality. Approved coconuts enter an automated washing system, where high-pressure water jets and rotating brushes thoroughly remove dirt, dust, and surface contaminants. After washing, automated dehusking machines remove the thick outer fiber with remarkable precision, revealing the hard After washing, automated dehusking machines remove the thick outer fiber with remarkable precision, revealing the hard
After washing, automated dehusking machines remove the thick outer fiber with remarkable precision, revealing the hard coconut shell while preparing the fruit for the next stage of industrial processing. With the outer husk removed, precision cutting machines split each coconut into perfect halves, exposing the fresh coconut water and thick white meat for separate processing lines. Fresh coconut water is immediately collected using automated food-grade extraction systems, preserving its natural purity and freshness before it moves to filtration and sterilization. After the coconut water is collected, automated extraction equipment carefully separates the fresh white coconut meat from the hard shell, preparing it for cleaning and further food processing. Once cleaned, the fresh coconut meat is finally ground into a smooth slurry, creating the base material used to produce premium coconut milk and rich coconut cream. The coconut slurry is compressed under high pressure, separating rich coconut milk from the remaining pulp, while preserving its natural flavor, aroma, and nutritional value. To ensure safety and consistency, the freshly extracted coconut milk is homogenized and gently pasteurized under carefully controlled conditions before moving to sterile packaging. Inside the aseptic packaging line, sterilized coconut milk is accurately filled, sealed, and coated, ensuring maximum freshness and complete product traceability before distribution. The remaining coconut pulp is carefully dried under controlled conditions, producing high-quality desiccated coconut with a consistent texture and long shelf life, ready for food manufacturing.
The dried coconut is finally milled into premium coconut flour, creating a nutritious, gluten-free ingredient widely used in baking, food manufacturing, and health-focused products.
On a dedicated processing line, advanced centrifugal technology separates pure virgin coconut oil from coconut cream, preserving its natural aroma, clarity, and nutritional quality without harsh chemical treatment. Before packaging, the virgin coconut oil passes through multiple filtration stages to achieve exceptional clarity, purity, and quality while preserving its valuable natural properties. Precision bottling systems accurately fill, seal, and label every bottle of virgin coconut oil, ensuring consistent quality and complete traceability before distribution. With production complete, every coconut product is automatically grouped, packed into shipping cartons, and verified through barcode inspection before entering the final stage of the manufacturing process. High-speed robotic automation carefully transfers every bottle into shipping cartons with remarkable precision, increasing production efficiency while maintaining consistent packaging quality. Once filled, every shipping carton is automatically folded, sealed, and secured using precision packaging technology, ensuring safe transportation throughout the global supply chain. Advanced robotic palletizing systems stack and secure every shipment with exceptional speed and precision, preparing thousands of finished products for safe storage and global transportation. Each completed pallet is securely wrapped with industrial-grade protective film, ensuring maximum stability and protection throughout storage, transportation, and international shipping. Driverless automated guided vehicles transport finished pallets through the factory with exceptional precision, creating a seamless connection between packaging, warehousing, and global distribution. Inside the smart warehouse, automated storage systems identify, track, and position every pallet with complete accuracy, ensuring efficient inventory management and rapid order fulfillment. When an order is received, the automated warehouse instantly retrieves the correct pallet, verifies its identity, and prepares it for shipment with speed, accuracy, and complete traceability. At the final stage of the production journey, automated loading systems place every pallet into export containers with precision, preparing premium coconut products for safe delivery to markets around the world. Once the shipment is complete, every container is securely sealed, verified, and transferred onto export trucks, ensuring safe transportation to international shipping terminals. At the International Cargo Port, advanced crane systems transfer every export container onto cargo vessels, beginning the final journey to customers across the globe. With thousands of premium coconut products safely on board, the cargo vessel begins its international journey across the oceans, connecting modern factories with consumers around the world. After crossing the world's oceans, the cargo vessel reaches its destination, where advanced port terminals prepare every container for rapid unloading and distribution. At the destination port, intelligent crane systems unload each container with remarkable precision, while AI-powered logistics instantly prepare every shipment for customs clearance and inland distribution. Before entering the domestic supply chain, every export shipment undergoes advanced customs inspection, where AI-assisted scanning systems verify security, documentation, and complete traceability within minutes. After customs clearance, the shipment travels through intelligent transportation networks to a fully automated distribution center, where advanced logistics systems prepare products for nationwide delivery. Upon arrival at the distribution center, intelligent unloading systems rapidly transfer every pallet into automated storage, where AI instantly updates inventory and prepares products for regional delivery. As customer orders arrive, intelligent warehouse systems automatically retrieve the required products, while robotic picking technology prepares every shipment quickly, accurately, and efficiently for final delivery. Each customer order is carefully packed, sealed, labeled, and inspected by intelligent automation, ensuring every coconut product reaches its destination in perfect condition. After arriving at the store, premium coconut products are carefully stocked on supermarket shelves, ensuring freshness, availability, and an attractive shopping experience for every customer.
Can we get this coconut water? I'll put it in the cart. This coconut milk looks good.
And driven at tropical plantation or advanced factories and global meat campaign or unwarrable verification.
From the plantation to the family table, every coconut product preserves its natural freshness, delivering nutrition, quality, and exceptional taste through every step of its remarkable journey.
From healthy meals and delicious baking to fitness, wellness, and personal care, premium coconut products enrich everyday life with nat nutrition, versatility, and exceptional quality trusted by millions around the world.
From tropical plantations to homes, restaurants, hotels, and wellness centers across the globe, every premium coconut product represents a remarkable journey of innovation, sustainability, and uncompromising quality that connects millions of people every day. From a single coconut growing under the tropical sun to premium products enjoyed by millions around the world, this extraordinary journey showcases the power of modern agriculture, intelligent manufacturing, and a global innovation working together to deliver quality to every home. Every coconut tells an extraordinary story, from tropical plantations and advanced factories to global supply chains and family homes. Through innovation, precision, and dedication, nature's finest gift reaches millions of people around the world. This is the complete journey of modern coconut processing.